tent right there, or is that a rock? Okay. Under that tree. I thought there was a tent underneath that tree off to the left, the bigger one. I was like, it looked like it was a tarp. I was like, what? Somebody tarp camping? No. No, just a rock. Yeah. No, it's up a little bit further. I think it's a bit better of a road than a trail, and it zigzags, not straight up. Oh, we got some whoops up here. Right? Oh yeah, I forgot about coming downhill with no brakes. Holy cow, dude. Yeah. It's like waves. Yeah. Right? No, not many cars. That's fun. Imagine this on your 501, bro. Just seeing what type of speed you get. Oh yeah, dude. Alright. Don't know. I mean, because you can't really see any what? No, I did read up on it. It was like some hydro lock volcano or something like that. It was some, I don't know. I'm not smart enough to know this stuff. No. But it was like a hydro volcano or hydro lock volcano or something like that. Yeah. Pretty dang cool though. Yeah, these guys that were slacklining were like tied off over here and then all the way over to that side. So they weren't, I mean, they weren't like right down in the middle of it, but they were, they definitely cut it a little short. You know, but still, that's pretty nuts to be able to walk all the way across one side to the other, you know? Yeah. Yeah. I know you do, Andy. And I would be more than willing to watch you, and I'd film you. You just like send it. Oh, you're thinking about it. Looks pretty rocky midway up. Let's see how this goes for Mr. Andy on the DRZ 400. Do it, do it, do it. Here's my big video chance of going viral, Andy, of you riding up this thing. I must have lost him. No, I hear you. No return after that, buddy. Oh yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah? Bottom out a couple? Is it just your back or is it your front shocks? Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. And this is what it's like to follow somebody in the dust. No, you're good, dude. Yeah. You know, just seeing's only important. I ride my trail very well, but I don't want to right now. Right? Ugh. Try to dodge a rock and I hit it with my back. Dude, yeah. They're not playing. All right. Right. Uh-huh. Oh, jeez. Right? Oh gosh. Oh yeah, I remember you telling us about that. You had to walk back and get your dad or something and that's awesome. To get you. You're like, they're never coming back. Well, the other thing is, not that the brakes would help you much, but if you did stall out, yeah. Or even just holding your line, holding yourself up there. I guess you could tighten and put it in gear and leave it, but different bike though. Maybe one that's a little bit more ready. I got hit by a June bug a couple weeks ago. Man, I'm only felt like a slug hit me in the chest. Right? Huh, a couple deer out there, a couple antelope. Yeah, cantaloupe. Some cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. No? I've seen it down well by your place. There used to be, yeah, there used to be some that ran out, that lived out in that field, out in your the Melton Burgers. Oh yeah, I gotta catch them. Yeah, I just want to see how fast they're going. They are 30-ish. All right. Oh, they're fine. They love running. They love this stuff, Andy. I know. Yeah, there they go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Crossover. I won't. I'll let them get out of the end of the woods. There you go. You're free. Won't chase you anymore. Don't try it, Andy. It looked awfully soft, bro. I know. I saw it in your head. I can do it. I can do that one. I can hit it. So that was what I was saying is we went up to out by Plana Lake Junction. We rode up that way a little bit, took a road off of Island K up around Plana Lake, East Lake, and met up with the section 3 of BDR, Oregon BDR. That's a fun, flowy section. I highly recommend it if anybody's up there. Not technical by any means. I mean, there's some rocks and ruts and sand and stuff, but good times. And then rode that out to Hole in the Ground again, and got to take my buddy down to the bottom of it. And yeah, and then jumped back onto 31 for a ways, and then jumped up onto the power line road and followed the power line road over to here. And he's gonna take a left up here, and I'm gonna take a right and head back home and go get some lunch. Yeah, get some stuff into edited. Thanks for coming with me. Fun time.
always good to ride with buddies. It's fun to ride, but it's a lot more fun to ride with friends. So stay safe. God bless.